Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Ansari Sumbulzia and I welcome you to Haq Ki Awaz Aapke Saath. Here you will get the updation of the press meet which was held yesterday, that is on 13th March 2021 at Banjara Hills, residence of Dr. Nohera Sheikh, MD of Hira Group at Hyderabad. This was a very successful press meet. There were various updates given by local media, press media, and print media. And here we will share some highlights with you, including some details. Will pay investors, claims Hira Group MD Nohera Sheikh after release from jail. This was Nohera Sheikh's first press conference after being granted bail by the Supreme Court. Dressed in a black burqa with a matching hijab which had diamonds embroidered on it, a smiling and confident Nohera Sheikh, the managing director of Hira Group, walked into the hall in her office in Hyderabad's Banjara Hills on Saturday. Once settled, she addressed her first press meet after being granted bail by the Supreme Court. While only the media was strictly allowed for the press meet, her coterie ensured others, especially investors, were not allowed into the press conference. Nowhere began the address by recollecting how she has been instrumental in the empowerment of women, especially from Muslim community. I taught women how to do business and empowered them. Since 1998, when the Hira Group was established, we have been instrumental in empowering a lot of women, said Nohera Sheikh. She went on to claim how she had been made to go through so much for a small GST problem that surfaced from 1998 to 2018. The company functions smoothly. I was not even given a notice before my arrest. I spent almost 2.5 years in jail. While she spoke about those targeting her and named Asaduddin Owaisi and his people as those responsible for all that happened to her, investors hoped she would speak about repaying them. She demanded that her voice reach the finance minister of the country when she warned, India's economy will crash if CEOs like me are arrested. I salute the Indian Constitution and Indian judiciary, and I was sure that I will get the justice, said Nohera Sheikh. In between all the allegations and claims, Nohera Sheikh announced Hira Group is ready to make its payments. We never ran away, nor will we ever run away. The company will bring in new policies and will achieve greater heights. Her announcement clearly indicated that she plans to continue her investment scheme, which was all this while touted as a Ponzi scheme that has allegedly cheated more than 1 lakh investors. We have signed documents of all our investors saying that in profit or in loss, they will be with the company. We have not cheated anyone, asserted Nohera. When asked how she planned to repay the investors considering her company's accounts have been frozen, Nohera Sheikh said some of our accounts have been released and very soon the others will be released. We have assets worth rupees 5,000 crore in Telangana, and that is enough to repay all the investors. On how long it would take for her to repay the investors, she said, it demands on several factors. I will sit with my investors and talk to them personally. They will either be given the option to withdraw their money or keep their money invested with the company, depending on what they decide. We will know how much time it will take to repay them. Nohera Sheikh said the Central Crime Station had frozen the company data and hence they are unaware about details or details of the investors and about how much needs to be paid to them. 2 weeks are needed to CCS to provide us data about the investors. After we get that, we will start repaying everyone, said Nohera Sheikh. She also rubbished claims both the figures and the number of investors being claimed are incorrect. When asked that what the right figures are, she replied, company had 1.72 lakh investors as reported by the media. She said, we will have to check the data and only then we will know the right figures.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court, while laying down conditions for her bail, has directed her to repay the investors, the Hira Group, just to comply with the apex court's order, issued checks to some of the investors who had filed cases against.
So this was all for today from Hakki Awaz Aapke Saath. Stay connected for more updates and please share and subscribe and like and don't forget to press the bell icon. Jazakallah khair.